10 tips for buying organic shoes. Choose organic materials. Organic cotton, wool, and leather are all good choices for baby shoes. Organic materials are grown and processed without the use of harmful chemicals, which is important for your baby's delicate skin. Look for a flexible sole. Baby shoes should have a flexible sole that allows your baby's feet to move and grow naturally. A stiff sole can restrict foot development and lead to problems later in life. Make sure they fit well. Baby shoes should fit snugly but comfortably. There should be about a ½ inch of space between your baby's longest toe and the end of the shoe. Avoid shoes with a lot of padding. Baby's feet need to be able to feel the ground in order to develop properly. Avoid shoes with a lot of padding in the sole or heel. Look for a wide toe box. Baby shoes should have a wide toe box that allows your baby's toes to spread out naturally. A narrow toe box can crowd your baby's toes and lead to problems such as bunions and hammer toes. Choose shoes with a non-slip sole. Once your baby starts walking, it's important to choose shoes with a non-slip sole to help prevent falls. Buy shoes that are easy to put on and take off. Baby shoes should be easy to put on and take off so that you don't have to struggle with them every time you need to change your baby's shoes. Choose shoes that are durable. Baby shoes can take a lot of wear and tear, so it's important to choose shoes that are durable and well made. Consider the climate. If you live in a warm climate, you may want to choose shoes that are made from breathable materials such as cotton or canvas. If you live in a cold climate, you may want to choose shoes that are made from warm materials such as wool or leather. Read reviews. Before you buy a pair of baby shoes, read reviews from other parents to see what they have to say about the shoes. This can help you to choose a pair of shoes that is comfortable, durable, and well made. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.